Hi, this is Mohit Singh. I am from Holmes Institute, Melbourne campus, and my student ID is WGM3026. Today, I'm here to present my presentation of corporate accounting, which is given us by Kokhan Babri. Sorry if I haven't pronounced it correctly. Let's begin with the introduction. In this presentation, I will spread light on some selected points for my assessment and which are following. First of all, I will explain cash flow statement. The number second is income statement. Then was the firm able to generate enough cash from operations to pay for all of its capital expenditures? Also, about the major items affected cash flow from each firm. Lastly, strength of three companies. Cash flow statement. What is cash flow statement? Cash flow statement is mandatory proclamations that makes available comprehensive information concerning all money inflows. An organization obtain from its content, procedures, and outside asset resources. It also consists of all money outflows that compensate for industry action and reverse for the period of a given stage. In other words, cash flow statement is one of the three financial statements that report the cash generated and spent during a specific period of time. For example, a month, a quarter, and a year. The cash flow statement act as a bridge in between income statement and balance sheet statement. In the following slide, I will explain about income statement. Income statement, as it's clear about the name income. It's talking about income like profit or loss of a company. The term statement of income refer to the business monetary proclamation that scrutinize their profit and loss over a period of time. It is strongly minded by talking all the revenues and less all the payments from both the actions, for example, that are operating as well as non-operating. It is also known as net income declaration or a proclamation of wages. The proclamation also consists of bottom line that is estimated after subtracting all the payment from receipts. Income statement has its various items such as revenue, costs like cost of goods sold, selling journal and marginal expenses, depreciations and amortizations. In this slide, I will explain about was the firm able to generate enough cash from operations to pay all the capital expenditures. So, in my opinion, no. An organization was not proficient to create a sufficient quantity of notes from procedure to pay of all its saving outgoings. The necessitate investing as well as financing presentation to covering all all the payments. The resources outgoing are attained only single occasion, so it will be enormous magnitude for industry. Let's talking about the all major items which are affected the cash flow trade, and the activities are like number 1, transaction and attainment of capital, loans, reserves, and compensations. These are the sum of the things which are influenced by cash flow for each industry. In the end, I will explain about the strength of the businesses, and the business names are BSP Limited, Santos Limited, and Fantastic Limited. If you look look at the strength of the BHP Limited. BHP Limited has been proficient to expand the effective cash flows on a day on commencement and has decided to cut up for capex as well as dividend payments. The condition of BHP company make progress continually from the years 2016 when the business government had to alternative loans to meet the gratuity expenditure as working cash flow as insufficient. However, it decreased the monetary power by paying off the sum exceptional in the year 2017 and 18 and of inferior quality financial intimidation. In the Santos Limited company has been first rate money from business and cover up the argument process in long term property. It get together increases the needs of association and strong minded to make use of original issues of shares and net issues bonds as quantity of the business is very underdevelopment underdeveloped as distinct to BHP Limited and Fantastic Limited Company. The association